Hello children, in this video we will cover new words and their meaning, question and answer and some other exercise from the chapter Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint from class 5th NCERT. New words and their meaning. Savages, meaning wild people in primitive state. Mainland, meaning large continuous extent of land. Wandered, meaning go from place to place without a defined route. Bolder, meaning more confident. Frightened, meaning afraid. Inhabited, meaning a person or animal that lives in a or occupies a place. Make sentences. Word savages. Sentence: they are savages and head hunters. Mainland. Sentence: the island is joined to the mainland by a bridge. Wonder. Sentence: I was just wandering around the house. Boulder. Sentence: I never saw a hungrier and bolder cat. Inhabited. Sentence: it's a village of 200 inhabitants. Frightened. Sentence: Robinson was frightened. Question and answer. Question number 1. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? Answer: the footprint was exactly the print of a foot with toe, heel and every part of foot. This made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on a ground was a footprint. Question number 2. Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? Answer: Robinson was afraid to look at the bushes and trees because he mistook every bush and tree as a man. Question number 3. Why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? Answer: when Robinson saw the footprint, he got very scared and started praying for his protection. Choose the correct answer. So children, there are some questions and their options are given. We have to choose the correct option. बच्चों, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें एक क्वेश्चन दिया है और उसके बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. हमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन को चूज करना है. 1. Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could because he. Options are A. was running, was afraid, was in a hurry to go to home, and the answer is was afraid. Point 2. He could not sleep because. Options are there was an animal outside his cave. He thought savages had came from the mainland. His bed was uncomfortable. And the answer is he thought savages had come from the mainland. Point number 3. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? Options are it did not look like a human footprint. It looks smaller than his. He had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. Answer is he had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. Point number 4. Where was Robinson Crusoe? Options are on a boat, in a town, alone on an island, on an aeroplane. Answer: alone on an island. Let's talk. How would you feel if you saw unknown footprints outside your front door? Answer: I would feel shocked if I see unknown footprints outside my front door. I would do some research on it and convey it to my family members. If you were alone at home and suddenly someone knocked at your door, what would you do? Answer: I will go to the door and peep through the hole to see that who is there. Then I will ask, who is there? If there is someone whom I know, I shall open the door. Otherwise, I will tell him to come later. Question number 3. The words in the sentence are jumbled. Write them in order. One is done for you. So children, in this question there are some words. Those are jumbled. We have to arrange them in a proper sentence. First, alone was not Robinson an island on? And the correct answer is Robinson was not alone on an island. Point number 2. Was island the inhabited? And the answer is the island was inhabited. Point number 3. Footprint to someone this belong. Answer: this footprint belonged to someone. Point number 4. I, around, me, looked. Answer: I looked around me. Point number 5. I went the towards footprint large. Answer: I went towards the large footprint. Point number 6. Was afraid I now. And the answer is now I was afraid. Question number 4. Filling the blanks with correct words. And, but, because, so. Sentence number 1. I was frightened but curious. Sentence number 2. I decided to go to the beach, so I went along the water's edge. Sentence number 3. I ran fast as I could because I was frightened. Sentence number 4. I was very tired and confused. Point 3. Write a story on strange footprints. Options are: where did you see the footprints? What sort of a day was it? Do you see them at night? What happened when you followed the footprints? What did you see? What happened then? So children, there are some points are given and we have to make a story according to these points or questions. Answer: one day I was sitting in the park with my friends. Suddenly I saw footprints being made on the mud. I followed the footprints but there was none. Now footprints were appearing as if someone was walking away, whether it was a ghost or an invisible man. I could not decide, then I came back. Use the joining words given below and join the sentences in column A and B. And the options are or, and, so, but, because. So children, in this question we have to match the columns A and B with the help of given words. And the answers are: for example, there is a one sentence is given. I wrote the letters but I forget to post it. The second sentence is: I can sing well but can't dance at all. She wore a raincoat because it was raining. We may go to Shimla or we may go to Darjeeling. He wanted a book and football for his birthday. He missed the school bus, so he was late to school. Children, if you have any doubt related to this chapter, kindly write it down in comment box and kindly subscribe, share and like this channel. Thank you.